Hello everybody, I am Dr. Nidhi Singh, pediatrician in Zen Hospital. I welcome you all. Wish you all a very happy International Women's Day in advance. And as you all know that since women's health is very important, so I thought why not discuss about a very important topic regarding women's health, and that is cervical cancer. As we all know that cervical cancer is the fourth most important cause of cancer related deaths in females internationally throughout the world. And the most common cause of cervical cancer is human papilloma virus. So let's today discuss about how to screen cervical cancer at its earliest and how to prevent cervical cancer at its earliest. So basically the human papilloma virus has 4 subtypes which has a very malignant potential and can cause cancer in females, that is serotype 6, 11, 16 and 18. There are some other serotypes of HPV virus also which can cause warts. So that is again a kind of infectious disease which is caused by human papilloma virus. So to protect against this virus, we have a vaccine that is referred to as the cervical cancer vaccine. It is of 2 types which is currently available. So one is a quadrivalent vaccine that protects against all the malignant subtypes of human papilloma virus, that is serotype 6, 11, 16 and 18. And the other one is a 9-valent vaccine that, apart from providing protection against these 4 common subtypes, also provides protection against other subtypes of HPV that leads to the anogenital warts in both males and females. And up till now we were giving cervical cancer vaccine only in females from 9 years till 26 years of age. But as per the changed guidelines, now even males between 9 years to 14 years are eligible to receive this cervical cancer vaccine, not for the protection of cervical cancer but to prevent the warts incidence in these age group. So as you all know that this is a very dreaded cancer, and we must join our hands at the earliest possible to get ourselves screened at the earliest, and let's all get protected ourselves at the earliest by getting ourselves the cervical cancer vaccine shot. Thank you.